Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to complete your scavenger hunt or nature bingo. So you go to your classwork. It's either going to say scavenger hunt or nature bingo. I want to view the assignment. Yours is going to look a little different than mine, okay? So here's what I need, my nature bingo. Now open this in a new window. Let me show you how I did that one more time. So I'm in my Google Classroom. I hit my three dots. Let me show you actually. So I click on Nature Bingo. I click my three dots. I need to open it in a new window. And I can print it or I can download it. And it actually gives me the option right here to open it with these different apps here. I recommend if you have it, just open it with Adobe because it's a PDF. So I'm going to open it with Adobe. And what I want you to go to is fill and sign. Go down a little bit, fill and sign. We're going to make some marks on here. Fill and sign again. Okay, so I changed it to that X, right? So you can change it to letters, X. You can make check marks. So I finished that check. Maybe you want to circle the ones that you want to do. So maybe I know that I want to do the dandelion. I haven't finished it yet, but I know I want to find a weed. Or I already got a weed. I found it. I can do an X here. Make it a little bit bigger. And say, okay, well, I got my common weed. I found that. Make another X. Okay, well, next thing I found, I saw a spider web. I saw a caterpillar. So that's an easy way to go ahead and use your bingo chart so you can keep track of what you've done. Once you've finished with this, you can save it wherever you're comfortable saving it. I'm going to save it on my desktop, Nature Bingo. Now that's the first part. So maybe you got all 5 of your objects X'd out. Then you still need to make a collage, and I'll show you how to do that next. I'm going to exit out of here, go back to my Google Classroom. Now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and submit this and make a collage with your 5 items from your bingo list. Okay, so we're going to go to classwork. And then you would do your bingo, but I'm just going to do a random assignment here. I'm going to open up the assignment. I need to view it. And then I need to turn some stuff in. So I can add or create. So I can add a file, which is my nature bingo that I've X'd off. So I'm going to add that file. And I saved it from my desktop. It says upload from my device. And I've saved it to my desktop. And then it says right here, Nature Bingo. So I could upload that. I could also upload from my drive. Maybe I have it here, somewhere in my drive. So if you saved it to your drive, then that's fine. You can always get it off of your drive. And then here's my Nature Bingo. I did save it on my drive. So now I have my Nature Bingo attached. And I still need to create my collage. So now I'm going to go to Add a Create again. And I'm going to recommend, you can use any of these to make your collage, but I recommend just using the drawings. So it's creating the drawing, and then it's going to open up a whole new window for me to make my collage. So as you're taking pictures for your bingo items, I recommend that you save them all in one spot, because when you go to insert images, see image right there, insert image, you can upload from your computer. So if you saved them all in a folder on your desktop, that'd be an easy thing to do. You could save them all to your drive in a folder, or you have Google Photos you could save them to. Or if you're just using your cell phone, then you could take a picture right now and insert it into the collage. But that might be a little bit harder to do. You might want to have them all saved in one location. I have all my photos saved on the computer, so I'm going to upload from the computer. So I have it under my pictures, saved pictures. One of the bingo items is a flowering plant. And so this plant has flowers from the garden. Just like that. You may also insert this way, insert image. Maybe you want to do drive. And so it has recent pictures from your drive. Or maybe you can want to search through your drive to a certain folder. You can do that too. Or maybe you shared it with yourself and you have a shared drive. So make sure you know where you're saving it so you can find it. And then the other one on the bingo, it's asked for a pollinator. So this is a caterpillar. He'll turn into a butterfly. So that's a pollinator. And you really need only 5 photos. So I'm already almost done. And you would just go ahead and complete it with your 5 photos. Once you're done, you can just exit out. It saves. You can notice here it says all changes saved in Drive. It saves automatically. So once you have all of your pictures, you can exit out. But if you wanted to label your pictures, that'd be nice and helpful for me. So here I could do text box and I can write pollinator. Maybe I want to add another text box. So I can either hit this text box or I can just go to insert text box. And then I can flowering plant. It's kind of hard to see, so you can always change that. Maybe I want it to be bold. Maybe I'd like the words to be a little bit larger. Maybe I don't like that color. I can change it. Okay, so you go ahead and make it nice, take your time, and email me with questions. But once you're done, exit, and then just hit the turn in. I'm not going to turn that in, but you would turn that in. Just hit the submit button, turn in here. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me.